Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to master the art of the perfect weighing with a precision balance. So, these things are incredibly precise, right? But that sensitivity, well, that's also their biggest weakness. We're talking measurements down to 4 decimal places. That means tiny, invisible forces can totally wreck your results. Okay, so there are 3 main culprits for bad readings. Let's start with the crime scene itself, the lab environment. First up, our invisible enemy, vibrations. Even the tiniest shake can make those numbers jump all over the place. Then you've got airflow, a draft from a vent. That's enough to seriously mess with the weighing pan. And don't forget temperature. Heat actually creates its own little air currents right inside the balance. So the key is to create a super stable, calm space. It's all about neutralizing those invisible forces. All right, now let's look at the sample itself. And here, the number 1 suspect is static electricity. So how do you fight static? With this cool tool, an ionizer. It just zaps that charge right off the sample. Besides static, make sure your samples are at room temp. And be quick with anything that absorbs moisture. Okay, our last suspect is you, the operator. And get this, your fingerprints actually have measurable weight. That's why you always use tweezers or gloves. Never touch your containers with bare hands after tearing. Now, let's talk technique. You've got 2 main ways to do this. Direct weighing is quick, but not as precise. But for real accuracy, weighing by difference is the gold standard. So how does it work? See, this way you're only measuring what you actually transferred. It's a clever trick to avoid a ton of errors. And of course, mastery means maintenance. A clean balance is an accurate one, so don't skip the cleanup. In the end, though, the most important part of the whole setup is you. Your care makes all the difference. So, control the environment, the sample, and your technique. Do that, and you'll get perfect results every time.